are in Times Square in Manhattan. It's a very windy, cold day, but we thought we would bring Stanley out to see the sights, and we're thinking about maybe buying tickets to Broadway, or maybe going to Toys R Us, or, you know, we're looking for the Naked Cowboy, but we don't see him anywhere around. Oh, Stanley, are you okay? Next time you come to New York, Stanley, you need to wear a coat. You're not in Georgia anymore.
There he is.